Hello, everyone. I'm back. So, I've seen a great thing with this tripod mount from Hague. It's for the Canon, was it 100 to 500 RF lens, and it was supposed to be a better color with a better arc Swiss connection, quick release. So the problem with these camera manufacturers, they stay away from the arc Swiss. So if I open it up, here's a little Allen key. I like this where they use a Ziploc bag. This is easier to get out. It's all metal construction. I'll open this up. Get the Allen key out. Put the box away. Put it over here. So if you look at it, it looks pretty nice. Let me put on brightness right here. It looks a lot better. Yeah. So what they say is 100 to 500, but they put the RF 150. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now, to release it, I think you just, I don't know if you have to do this all the way. You might have to. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah. If it releases. Okay, so there's your three right there. One you can mount there. And anyway, tripod mount to use. Okay, it's coming out. There it is. It's okay. So let's take a look at the lens I'm going to replace. I tried this out in Colorado. I found out the problem. All I had to do was pull it apart. So the way you place it on, I already removed it. This has to go in a certain way. It won't go this way. The reason why is it won't fit on there. So there's a little indentation. So if you move it like this, it'll fit on the bottom. And I like the black matches the black rings. And then you just start tighten it and close it. And then you go on to right where I think that's supposed to be it, right there. So just keep tightening it. And I'll move it like right there. So perfect fit. You have to turn the knob quite a bit to lock it in, but it's getting there. Okay. So this is a quick fix for quick release plate. I like it. I'll still use this now and then. Okay, but if you look at it, this is a lot better for a quick release. This isn't, because then you have to take the thing off and then take it off later. This way it stays on. Just to show you, all I had to do was pull it apart. So it was a quick turn to lock it, and then when you hit the first click, well, you're supposed to pull it. It's supposed to pull apart eventually. Okay, that was what was giving me the trouble. So I'll save this. And it's a tight fit. Love it. Thank you for watching. Okay, you should hear my voice this time. Sorry about that. A little pause right there. I'm just going to play it. So when I recorded this earlier, uh, as usual, if you're not in your studio for a while, you forget that you had it on mute. That's for safety procedures. But it's called the Haog. Haog. I don't know how they say it. Hoagie. It's probably a hoagie, but we we had the O before the A. But LMR RF 150 lens, color tripod mount ring. To replace this, it has a arc type quick release plate. That's why I got it. Okay. And I didn't mean to have thank you for watching, stay safe and keep safe, smiling. But since I recorded it on this part, I just want to say that I like it. It's all metal construction. And I recommend it. Um, it's easy to turn. The only problem is getting it just right on the tripod, because there's no way of knowing. And you see, I made a mistake there. So I'm going to go back to the other one. Come on, reverse it. There we go. And I'll pause it right there. So thank you for watching. And as you can see, I'll turn this one off. I'll go here to, nope, right back here. I'm back. So thank you for watching. Yeah, the FX30. Uh, Stay safe, keep smiling. I'll see you next time. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.